Hello, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see posts you have liked on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you up to date about this channel. So, let's go! Okay, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram apps. You can log in into your account. Now, you can click on your profile. Click on the right corner. Click on your activity. There's an interaction menu. Likes. Click on the likes. Now you can see all the posts you have liked before on Instagram. All the posts you have liked will be placed here. As example, I will like some posts, like this post and this one. And this one. Now we see. Click on your profile. Click on the right corner. Your activity and likes. Now, you can see there's a new post I just liked. So that is how to see posts you have liked on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you up to date about this channel. Thank you and see you!